This is our 2015 65 plate Mini Cooper diesel. So it has the 1.5 turbocharged diesel engine, which is low emissions and zero road tax. As you can see, it's finished in pepper white. It's got the Chilli pack and the John Cooper Works pack. It's also got the black headlight surrounds, mini driving lamps, daytime running lights. It's got the upgrade John Cooper Works track spoke alloy wheels. Inside it's got the optional mini white interior pack, electric windows and wing mirrors as standard. Chilli pack models come with the auto lights and front fog lights. It's got the John Cooper Works leather multifunction steering wheel, which has telephone and audio control, cruise control and speed limiter. It's covered just over 65,000 miles, and it's also got the Media XL pack. It's got the reversing sensors with visual display. Chilli pack models have the dual zone climate control. This one's also got the optional heated front screen. John Cooper Works gear stick with the red stitching. It's got the sport and green driving modes, controller for the media, front center armrest. And the Chilli pack models have the half leather sport seats. This one's got the diamond cloth trim. Inside you can see the car's exceptionally clean. There's no rips or tears to the interior. There's no signs of any smoking in the vehicle. Got the John Cooper Works side skirts. The alloy wheels are all in superb condition. There's no scuffs or scrapes. Same applies to the rear bumper. Again, the John Cooper Works rear bumper. Boot area is all very clean and tidy. It's got the original parcel shelf. It's got the optional darkened rear glass and the JCW rear spoiler. Tyres on the car all good. They're all over 6mm of tread. You can see the white colour interior trim continues to the passenger side and around the air vents. It's also got the anthracite roof lining, as you find on the John Cooper Works models. It's got the black roof and mirror caps. It's got the John Cooper Works indicator side scuttles. The car's got a full mini service history plus one just carried out by ourselves. It has an MOT which runs through until September 2021 with no advisories. If you click on the link at the end of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website where you'll find additional information along with finance calculators. You can see here from the service info display all the mini service records plus one that we've just carried out. So the next MOT is due September 21. The next brake fluid service is due November 21. The engine oil is next due September 22 or 13,000 miles. And the next vehicle check service is due September 22 or 13,000 miles.